Okay, by the time that we are waiting for the pork grill, we do 1 cup of sugar at the fry pan to make caramel. You don't want the heat so hot, okay? You put medium to melt your sugar. Now the caramel almost ready, guys. น้ำตาลกับสีน้ำตาลเข้ามาเลยเด้อแต่ก็เปิดไฟแห้งขึ้นน้อยนึงให้มันเข้มเข้าไปอีก You make it a little darker and then you will add the soy sauce, Coke, and oyster sauce and chicken stock. I will heat it up. And stir because you don't want it to be burned and it's going to be bitter, okay? I think it's enough now. Then we add the Coke. The Coke will make the meat tender. And soy sauce. Like a 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Look. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce too. 3 tablespoons. You don't want it salty. We have to add water to cover our pork. See? You wait until the water boiling now. The soup is boiling now, the ingredients. And then I'll add chicken stock, 2 tablespoons chicken stock, and ginger, onion, and 1 hot pepper, and garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. I boil this first. Add 1 more bottle of water to cover your pork meat. It's boiling. Wait until it boils and add your meat in. Now that your sauce is boiling now น้ำฟดแล้วน้ำคาราเมลฟดแล้วเอาหมูที่ทอดลงขัวมันลงต้มจนมันเปื่อยไปแล้วบัดนี้wait until it's boiling ถ่าจนมันฟดแล้วก็แอดไข่แอดหน่อไม้ You can add หน่อไม้ now add bamboo shoot now with bamboo shoot is very good everyone we put daikon because Japanese put daikon but today I don't have daikon we put egg later because it's gonna be broken otherwise. Okay, and we put the heater high up and we close it and we wait now until 20 minutes later we add egg. Now it's boiling, you need to lower the heat down, okay, to halfway. until your meat is tender. A little bit tender, and you add quail egg or eggs, whatever you have. Let me taste the sauce, how it tastes. Tastes so good. You don't have to add anything yet until it dry out and you taste again, okay? Wait a little bit, like 15 more minutes. I check it back. Okay, we cook the meat with the bamboo shoot already 15 minutes. Now I ate quail egg, I ate quail egg. I wait until quail egg turn brown and the soup dry down, and then we'll taste, okay? Boil again 15 to 20 minutes. Look, the pork caramelized eggplant is ready. It's so soft and smooth. And then the egg quail is nice, see? With the bamboo shoot. The bamboo shoot tastes very good, everyone. ใส่หน่อไม้ก็ใส่ไข่หน่อยไข่นกกระทะแสบกลัวใส่ไข่ใหญ่พอดีแสบพี่น้องแสบแท้ๆเอาซื่นแสบน้ำกันเด้อ enjoy your pork caramelized with your steamed rice, okay? Please like and share and subscribe so you can see my recipe, my next recipe. Enjoy your meal, cook together. Love y'all.